These are the One More triple driver in-ear headphones. They're very beautifully designed, and what's really cool is they worked with a Grammy award-winning sound engineer to make these work. It's patented from the ground up, structural design, two balanced armatures with a triple layer driver. In essence, it's compact and light aluminum alloy body, has an ear canal angled ergonomic fit. And it's got full frequency range. It can be extended up to 40 kilohertz. It's got smart inline controls and superior microphone quality, compatible with iOS, Apple, and Android. TPE enhanced cable with high strength Kevlar core with a braided tangle resistant exterior and high grade aluminum cable splitter. It's tuned by a Grammy award winning sound engineer, and these things do sound nice. They're probably one of the best sounding headphones or earphones I've heard in this price range, so that's very nice that way. Meticulous sound using 3 triple transducer in-ear headphones, so it comes out really sounding well. Great lows, great mids, great highs, just a wonderful sounding earphones for this price range. They worked with Luca Bignardi to tune these. He's the internationally acclaimed producer, mixer, and sound engineer, and basically made it sound really, really good. Just a really beautifully designed forged aluminum alloy body, dual system intelligent controls, comfortable ergonomic design, and great durability tests they've put these through in beating them. Even comes with a nice little magnetic clasp traveling case, and it comes with a little thing, plenty of extra sets of silicone ear sizes. I've never seen so many for a